Are you looking for a tool to create amazing mind maps alone or with your team? In this video, I will show you how you can create mind maps like this one with Collaboard. To create a new mind map in Collaboard, go to More, select the mind map module, and put the mind map anywhere on your whiteboard. Initially, the parent node of your mind map is created, and now you have these plus symbols on the left and on the right side, and this allows you to add new child nodes and new trees to your mind map. Collaboard is automatically giving to each tree a new color, and there are a lot of customization options. So let's have a short look on how we can customize now the look and feel of our mind map. Let's start with the node. So if we click on the node, we can, for example, give it a fill color. We have a lot of options to change the font. We can make it a little bit bigger. We can also use different styling options for the font itself. And if we look at the node, we can also change the node type. It can, for example, be rectangle or with rounded corners. So here we are quite flexible to adjust our mind map. Now, when we start adding the mind map, you see the plus symbols are on the left and on the right side, but we can also change the direction of the mind map. We can have it either horizontally or vertically, so we can adjust this based on our needs, and we can also adjust the connectors from curved to orthogonal, and this allows us now to create the mind map in a very nice way. So what's quite cool is if you add a styling to the parent node, then the styling usually is also taken for the child nodes. And if we look back at the initial mind map we have created here, so that's something you can easily do with Collaboard with this new mind map module. So try it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and follow our channel for more cool news about what to do with Collaboard. Thanks for watching.